So this is a video to show how to replace a blown subwoofer for a 2005 Mitsubishi Endeavor. I've been driving around for about a year with the sound behind my head, so this is how you will remove the speaker. What you're going to want to do is remove the side panel that's bolted here and here, as well as removing this back floor panel. There's going to be several screws that you're going to need to access underneath this board. So let's go ahead and remove that. Now once you remove these plastic clips, you're going to be access to the bolts. That's going to require a 10mm socket, and that'll allow you to remove this floor panel. You will also need a screwdriver here as well as here to remove the back panel. Once you've removed your two bolts, that will allow you to remove the panel from the floor. Now for this back panel, once you've taken the screws out, you're going to have to remove the clips that's on the inside. There's going to be two clips that require some sort of a straight edge to help you remove them. The side panel itself, you're going to have two more clips that's going to need to be removed in order to gain access to the speaker. Once you've removed all the floor panels, the next thing to do is to actually remove the side panel. They're going to be bolted down by 4 screws that's going to be holding it in place. Next, you're going to want to carefully remove the rubber trim that's also holding the side panel to the frame of the car. Once you've pulled the trim away far enough, you want to use your fingers or a straight edge and just pull the panel away from the car. It's held on by clips. You want to carefully pull away the side panel from the car. Try not to break any clips in this process. And don't pull too hard because the power cord is attached. So you want to make sure you unplug it. Now you may want to use a bungee cord to help secure the side panel, since you're not going to take it off completely. You have now gained access to your speaker, and if you look carefully, the speaker is attached with a black clip, and you can remove it. One last thing that I did was I melted the plastic away from the speaker connector so that when I'm ready to plug in my new speaker, I can easily attach it.